Hello, my name is Ali Carter. I'm the Managing Director of Mediate UK, and I'd like to talk to you today about the new no-fault divorce law. So this is coming into effect from the 6th of April 2022, and the main difference is you no longer have to rely on one of 5 grounds to process your divorce. You can just say to the court that you want to apply for a divorce, and you don't have to give any reasons as to why. You can apply by yourself and you can apply jointly together. The main difference that this means is that the divorce cannot be contested, and you don't have to wait 5 years for if the other person disagrees with the divorce. So there's some advantages for everyone there. It makes the process less stressful, less contentious, and should set up better grounds for agreeing the financial and child arrangements of your divorce. You can divorce yourself online. If you go to the government portal, you can use that. You can use a solicitor to process your divorce. You can use an online divorce service. If you're one of Mediate UK clients, you can use our solicitors to manage that for you as well. If you divorce in April, there's a 20-week wait, so you will be having to wait until around the end of August before you get a conditional divorce, which is the new terminology replacing decree nisi, and then you have to wait another 6 weeks until you get a final divorce order, which is the new terminology replacing decree absolute. So if you apply in April, as long as the IT and the courts aren't too backlogged, then your divorce should finalise towards the end of October 2022. There will be an increase. We're expecting divorces to double in April when this comes in. There's loads of clients who are waiting for this, and if that is the same across the board, we would expect many more divorces to go through. As I say, the actual process should be easier. What hasn't changed? Well, you still have to pay court fees, or most people do, unless you're on certain benefits or a low income. You have to pay court fees of £593. It's no cheaper than it used to be in that respect, but obviously if you're not having to pay for a contested divorce, that will save you money. What you still need to agree on are the arrangements for any children and the arrangements for your finances and property. So those aspects, you've got 11 ways to do it. If you want to find out those 11 ways, you will use one of them. You might even use a couple before you get to an agreement. Go to our website, mediateuk.co.uk. There's a pop-up that should come up, and you can just put your details in and it will email you those 10 ways. But if you can't agree between yourselves, the next logical step up would be mediation. You've got solicitor to solicitor-led negotiation, you've got arbitration, barrister reviews, many other ways of trying to reach an agreement. But the key thing is if you can do it as amicably, cost effectively and fairly, then you're going to keep more money in the pot and more money between yourselves to help you find your future, which happens to be our tagline. So on that cheesy note, 6th of April 2022, no fault divorce law, but obviously you still need to agree those parenting and financial aspects. Wish you all the best.